Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into KineMaster account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your KineMaster account, so to do that what you can do is just open up your KineMaster application. After opening up your KineMaster application, now in order to log into your account, you just have to tap on the Me option which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And now if you do have an account, then what you can do is just simply tap on sign in with email, and then you can log into your account. But if you don't, then you can just simply tap on continue with Google or with continue with Apple, and then easily create an account. So we are trying to log into our account, so I'll just tap on sign in. And after doing that, now to sign into your account, what you can do is just enter your email and password. And after entering it, now what you can do is just tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, here you can see guys, you have successfully signed in to your account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your KineMaster account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.